The Aqua Tower is an 82-story skyscraper located in Chicago, designed and constructed from 2006 to 2009 by Gene Gang and Studio Gang. The highlight of this building is the flowing external facade. However, contrary to its external appearance, the building is designed to be extremely functional and versatile. The purpose of the Aqua Tower was to create a multi-purpose skyscraper at the southern side of the Chicago River entrance. The building would house residential units, hotels, office spaces, and several shops. The multi-purpose led to the design team to create an internal design that was efficient and able to be added to and sculpted to create effective spaces for living and conducting work. The utilization of an internal rectangular structure allows for this versatility as it minimizes the potential dead spaces, bottlenecks, and limitations that often occur with irregularly shaped buildings. Surrounded by tall rectangular buildings, the design team decided to take inspiration from the more natural surroundings of the area, for example, the Chicago River and the wider Great Lakes area. A particular inspiration was taken from the limestone outcroppings found around the edge of the Great Lakes. Combining the contours of these outcroppings with an intention to create a flowing design created the final appearance of the external facade of the building. The shape of this skyscraper was able to be created by building multiple floors of concrete slabs that would extend beyond the external rectangular frame and glass of the building. Each one of these slabs was slightly different to the other and together would create a combination of pools, troughs, and curves that would flow from and into one another. The placement of these extended pools was specifically designed to allow for balconies that overlook specific parts of the surroundings of the building, accentuating the beauty of the city in which it resides. These unique balcony shapes allow individuals to see where their specific space is located from the city streets below, as no two viewing angles of the building were the same. This uniqueness of design and shape creates a feeling of movement and flow whilst looking at the building from multiple angles. The external facade for this skyscraper was only possible using modern building and design techniques, whilst using common materials found in other high-rise buildings. The frame of the building is constructed from steel and concrete like most other skyscraper buildings. However, the most important materials in this design were the glass and external facade material. The glass in this building replicates a vertical plane of water, in which the facade seems to flow in and out of. This works perfectly as, from most common viewing angles, the glass reflects the sky just like the ocean does, mimicking the ocean's ability to reflect the weather and the sky's appearance within itself. The external balconies and facade of the building were constructed from concrete with an epoxy-coated reinforced steel bar, allowing for large amounts of concrete to be extended beyond the glass exterior. This concrete would then be shaped to show the final design that is present today. The building is now culturally significant because it breaks the mold of the conventional rectangle skyscraper and becomes an attraction that appears to be flowing and moving as you observe it from different angles. This is even more impressive due to being the tallest building in the world designed by a female at the time, and was yet still able to express a natural beauty that stands apart from its peers whilst feeling closer to the natural landscape on which it was built. With this building, Gene Gang and the Gang Studios were able to design and construct a functional and versatile multi-purpose skyscraper that takes inspiration from its surroundings to create a building that flows and stands apart from modern skyscrapers with its natural flowing beauty.